I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're already signed in, so start by opening the Blogger app or mobile browser and selecting your blog. Once done, tap Posts to edit a post's HTML or go to Theme and choose Edit HTML to access site-wide code. You do this because posts and themes store different HTML locations. Editing the right one prevents wasted changes. Make sure to wait for the editor to load fully before proceeding so search will work reliably on mobile. Now that the HTML editor is open, use your mobile browser's menu and tap Find in Page. This is the fastest way on mobile. Type the tag, ID, or class you need, for example, script, hash header, or post, and review each match. If the editor has a built-in search, use that since it can highlight line numbers. You're doing this to target exactly what to edit. Use short terms first, then extend the query if you see too many results. Edit the located HTML carefully. Copy the original snippet to your clipboard before changing anything so you can undo mistakes. Once edited, tap Save or Save Theme and immediately preview the page to verify the change on mobile and desktop. If you don't see updates, make sure to clear cache or refresh the blog view. Sometimes the mobile Find in Page misses dynamic content. If problems persist, switch to a desktop browser for more powerful search and line-numbered editors as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.